Okay, activity 7C6 is similar to the last two that we've done, but now we have other functions such as logs here. So you have an equation, a graph, and a sign chart. They all belong to the same function. You're going to use Desmos to find the graph of the function, and then after that you're going to use that to fill out the sign chart. So here in a log, notice it has an asymptote, and that asymptote is at -3. That's why it says does not exist at -3. And then notice the graph doesn't go over to the left of -3, so it does not exist there either. Okay, but then slightly to the right of -3, here it is negative, and then it goes above the x-axis, looks like to the right of -2. So let's try the same for number 1. So number 1, if you graph it using Desmos, we find that it is something like this. This is -3. That's where the vertical asymptote is, because 3 would make that 0. Actually, it's +3. Okay, 3 would make that 0. So that means that's where the asymptote is. So we can say it does not exist there at 3. Okay, then graph is a little something like this. Okay, so it also does not exist to the right of 3. There's nothing here on the right side. Okay, then a little to the left of 3. It looks like it crosses the x-axis. Now, we don't know exactly what it is, but it's very close to 3. So let's just say here, value is 0. And between the asymptote here and the intercept, it is negative. Okay, it's below the x-axis. Okay, but then further to the left of that, it is all positive. It is all above the x-axis.